Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 28th, 2024, we're taking a close look at Apple stock, Apple. Recent headlines are showing a mixed sentiment regarding AAPL's future. Some analysts have downgraded the stock due to concerns about iPhone 16 sales, while others have upgraded it based on early sales data and the potential for new AI software to drive growth. Apple's iPhone 16 sales have been banned in Indonesia due to local content regulations, which adds to the uncertainty surrounding the company's performance. However, Apple won a partial design patent battle against Massimo, which might have a positive impact on the company's legal and financial landscape. The upcoming release of Apple's Q4 earnings report is a major event to watch, as it could potentially influence the stock's trajectory. It's a crucial week for Apple, with its earnings report and the unveiling of new AI features. Production of the Apple Vision Pro has been halted, and a lighter version is planned, signaling a shift in Apple's product development strategy. The tech industry is facing a setback as iPhone 16 sales have been blocked in Indonesia due to a local investment shortfall. There are concerns about tech giants' ability to maintain profitability, which could further impact AAPL's stock price. However, oil prices have plummeted, driving U.S. stock futures upward, suggesting a potential positive trend for the overall market. The combination of these events creates a dynamic environment for Apple, making it essential to carefully analyze the charts for insights. Let's start with the daily chart, which provides a broader perspective on AAPL's price movement over the past few months. Here, we can see that Apple has been experiencing a fairly steady upward trend since October 2023, forming higher highs and higher lows. This trend is consistent with the overall market's upward momentum, driven by factors like declining interest rates and improved investor sentiment. However, it's important to note that the trend has slowed down recently, with Apple experiencing more volatility and smaller price gains. This could indicate that the market is becoming more cautious, potentially waiting for the release of Apple's Q4 earnings report to confirm its bullish outlook. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more detailed understanding of AAPL's recent price action. Here, we can see that Apple has been trading within a range, bouncing between the 225 and 235 price levels. This range-bound movement suggests that there's uncertainty in the market about AAPL's immediate direction. The lack of a clear breakout from this range could indicate that investors are waiting for more definitive news or economic data before making a decisive move. We're looking for a break above the 235 level to signal a bullish move, or a break below the 225 level to signal a bearish move. The 225 level appears to be a strong support zone, as Apple has bounced off this level several times in the past few weeks. The 235 level acts as resistance, preventing Apple from breaking out to higher highs. The lack of a breakout or breakdown suggests that Apple is currently consolidating, building up momentum for a potential move in the coming days or weeks. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to examine AAPL's recent price swings in greater detail. Here, we can observe some interesting patterns that might provide clues about AAPL's short-term direction. During the past few trading sessions, Apple has shown some hesitation around the 230 level, with prices bouncing back and forth. This suggests that this price level is a significant area of interest for traders, acting as both support and resistance. While the overall sentiment remains bullish, the recent hesitation at 230 might indicate that some investors are taking profits or waiting for a pullback before entering new positions. We're looking for a break above the 230 level to confirm a bullish continuation, or a break below the 230 level to signal a short-term correction. However, it's important to remember that the 15-minute chart is very volatile, and these short-term signals might not always translate into larger trends. The 15-minute chart is a valuable tool for understanding the short-term momentum of Apple, but it's crucial to consider the larger picture presented by the daily and 1-hour charts. Looking at the candlestick patterns, we can see that Apple has formed several bullish engulfing patterns on the 1-hour chart, which suggests that buyers are taking control. However, there have also been some bearish engulfing patterns, indicating selling pressure. These conflicting signals suggest that the market is indecisive about AAPL's immediate direction, and we might see more volatility in the short term. The volume on the 1-hour chart has been relatively low in recent days, which might indicate that investors are waiting for more significant catalysts to drive a major move. We'll be closely monitoring the volume levels for any signs of increasing interest or a shift in sentiment. In conclusion, Apple stock, APL, is currently in a state of flux, with news headlines and technical charts sending mixed signals. The upcoming earnings report is a key event that could potentially break the stock's current consolidation and reveal its future direction. The 225 level remains a crucial support zone for Apple, while the 235 level acts as resistance. A breakout above the 235 level would signal a bullish move, while a break below the 225 level would signal a bearish move. The recent hesitation at the 230 level on the 15-minute chart suggests that this price level is a significant area of interest for traders. The 15-minute chart is a valuable tool for monitoring short-term momentum, but it's crucial to consider the larger picture from the daily and 1-hour charts. We'll be watching for any signs of increased volume, breakout from the consolidation range, or a change in candlestick patterns, which could reveal AAPL's next major move. Stay tuned for more updates as we monitor the market and analyze AAPL's performance in the coming days and weeks.